Candid. New Trends in English Reader. Book 4. We all know that dog is a faithful animal. There are many stories about the faithfulness of a dog. It is very true that a dog is a man's best friend and companion. But Death of Gellert is one such sad story about the faithfulness of a dog which can make one cry. Let's follow the story. Prince Llewellyn had a favorite greyhound named Gellert. He had been gifted to him by his father-in-law, King John. Gellert was as gentle as a lamb at home. But this same dog became as fierce as a lion in the chase. He was brave and fearless as he chased wild animals and cornered them for his master to shoot them dead. One day, Llewellyn went to the chase and blew his horn in front of his castle. All his other dogs came bounding towards him, but Gellert did not come. So he blew his horn louder and whistled and called the dog by his name. Gellert! 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 But still the greyhound did not respond to his call. The prince could not wait any longer, so he went off on the hunt without Gellert. He had little luck that day. He could not hunt any animal. He felt that if Gellert, the swiftest and fastest of his hounds, had been there, this would not have been so. He turned back in a rage to his castle, and as he came to the huge gates, who should he see but Gellert come running out to greet him. But as the hound was approaching him, the prince was startled to see that his teeth and lips were dripping with blood. Now Prince Llewellyn had a little son, a year old, with whom Gellert used to play, and a terrible thought crossed the prince's mind that made him rush towards the child's nursery. The nearer he came, the more blood and disorder he found about the room. As he entered the nursery, he found to his shock and horror the child's cradle overturned and covered with blood. Terrified, the prince frantically looked for his little baby everywhere. He could find him nowhere, but only see sign of some terrible conflict in which much blood had been shed. Full of panic, he now felt sure that the dog had killed and eaten up his child, and shouting at Gellert, "You monster! You have devoured my child!"